think we settled on this place for our duck house and this area out here for our duck pen. It used to be a shed and it's fallen in, and we've kind of stored some old metal here, so we're going to take all this apart and put it back together.
At the end of day one, we miraculously got this little space cleaned out here. We're gonna get it put back together with a roof over the top. The back has to be fixed so that there's a wall back there. And then we'll put some front boards on for the front, and it'll be a closed-in house for the ducks. So I think we got a lot done. I feel really good about it. We're having a pretty good little spell of weather right here, so we're picking up the process of building the duck facility. We left off about a couple weeks ago and haven't done anything in the meantime, but things are coming together again. Old Guy and Jeremiah are putting some new pieces in so it can be structurally sound, and we'll make a new place for them to live real soon.
One's this way. We need some flat on the post.
Grandma, can you let me go to your house?
That's right. We decided to take a little time today and try and get this post set that we needed for this duck house. We're getting it set. We'll put some concrete at the bottom. We've got it dug out. There was an old post broken off. We dug it out, got this one set where we want it, and put concrete around it, and we're putting some boards across the top here, and we'll put one board going back that way, and then we'll fill this hole in and let the concrete set for a while before we work on the rest of the project. Obviously set around not straight for too long and has really warped. We'll try to pull it in when we put the metal on the roof. See if we can't straighten it a little bit. I think there's enough overhang to accommodate the crookedness anyway. It is just a duck house. These up, now we're ready to put that board across there. I'm glad the nails were sticking the other way. I'm gonna put this bag of dry, ready mix concrete around the base of this post before we fill it up with dirt. When you put concrete in a hole like this, it's not actually that necessary to put water in there too, because there's enough moisture in the ground. The concrete and the cement pulls it out and hardens without adding any moisture to it.
Can I come in here?
Is our string okay where it is right now?